boys and girls, it's Miss Kelly. Today I want to read to you Looking Closely in the Rainforest. The author is Frank Serafini, and the pictures may also be from him because there's no mention of a photographer. Look very closely. What does that look like? What do you see? Sand dunes? A pussy willow? What could it be? Now remember, rainforest is what we're talking about, so it must be something that's in the rainforest. What is that? It's a squirrel monkey. Squirrel monkeys live in the rainforest. They're called squirrel monkeys because they're so small and they live in trees. Now look very closely. What do you see? A flamingo? A pink grapefruit? What could it be? It's a hibiscus. An hibiscus is a beautiful flower, and they originated in the rainforest. Now you can have hibiscus plants here in Florida and in other places. Look very closely. What do you see? A spaceship? A sea slug? What could it be? It's a red-eyed tree frog. Look very closely. What could that be? Hot peppers? Goblin fingers? What could it be? What do you think it is? It's a banana plant. Those are bananas, and they're green when they are in the trees and before they're ripe and turn yellow. Each of those bananas are called a finger. Look very closely. What do you see? Chestnuts? Chestnuts, those are nuts. Sea coral? What could it be? Chestnuts do come in a hairy coating. Oh, it's a zebra tarantula. A zebra tarantula. Zebra tarantulas are large and they're hairy and they have 8 legs because all spiders have 8 legs. These do not spin webs. They're too big. They stay on the ground and they hide in little burrows. Look very closely. What do you see? A piñata? A parachute? What could it be? What do you think it is? It's a scarlet macaw. Look at that beautiful parrot. A scarlet macaw parrot. They live in the highest tree branches in the rainforest. Look very closely. What do you see? A xylophone? A picket fence? Are xylophones and picket fences in the rainforest? Nope, but bamboo is. This is bamboo. Bamboo is a type of plant. Actually, bamboo is what panda bears eat. Look very closely. What do you see? An alien? A seahorse? What could it be? I don't think aliens or seahorses live in the rainforest. That is called a moth orchid. The reason it's called a moth orchid is because the leaves look like moth wings. Look very closely. What do you see? Sandpaper? Fish teeth? It's a spiny-tailed iguana. A spiny-tailed iguana. Oh, and look, this is what a rainforest looks like. Or part of a rainforest. The end. Look at the front. If you've read books with me, you'll know this is a blue morpho butterfly, and that's where they come from, the rainforest. I hope you enjoyed the book, and if you look at the activity, it's got some pictures and some vocabulary words. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye-bye.